Create visuals from your text for free in a click? It feels like magic. Mind maps, flowcharts, data graphics, metaphors, images, you name it. How? This is a tutorial, link in the description. Let's start. You will love this, I assure you. Two options. You can paste your text content or you can ask AI to generate it. I will post my own text. So let's do it. Let's paste it. Control V. That's it. Here is where your text will be. Now just choose the paragraph you want to transform into a visual. Let's check out the magic. Look at this. It offers a lot of visuals. You can choose and wait for it, you can edit. Let's have a look at them. This is so good and so easy. You saw it. Wow, I was mind blown by this, how easy it is, how fantastic, and for now it's absolutely free, it's in beta. Start using it, enjoy it. You are going to love this so much. I do. Click on the left to choose the one you want and make the changes you would like. So you can change color, you can change font, you can change the squares, the format. So if you like the video, do check out my channel. I have so many free AI tools, tutorials you are going to love. They save you an amazing amount of time and they are absolutely creative, interesting, amazing, mind-blowing. Do enjoy the playlists. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for supporting my work, for watching my videos. Bye bye for now.